Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm bringing you a really deep clean of my bathroom as well as decorating for Valentine's Day. This was a long overdue video just because I had to wait for all of my stuff to come in from Amazon, and my daughter is finally past the stage where she's taking baths, so I can finally remove these toys that are just sitting on the side of the tub. The whole tub was cluttered. I put so much stuff in here. But anyways, let's get into the cleaning. The first thing I'm going to be doing is removing the shower curtain and putting it away for next Christmas. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss any of my future content. I do tons of cleaning motivational videos, decorating videos, cooking videos, you name it, the whole 9 yards, and I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. Curtain is put away. I am just going to go in with the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet bowl cleaner. This needs to sit for about 15 minutes for it to actually work, so I just made sure to put this on there and let it sit while I clean the rest of the bathtub. I absolutely love this cleaning product. It is actually one of my favorites, especially when you want the whole bathroom to smell super nice. I'm then going to follow up with the 7th generation disinfectant wipes and clean down the entire outside of the toilet. There is so much hair buildup on this toilet. I'm pretty sure I say that every single time I clean this bathroom. But I want to make sure to get all the hair up and just kind of the germs away. And don't forget to scrub the sides of your toilet. There was a lot of hair buildup down there, and I know I always overlook it as well. So it's just something on my to-do list that I'm going to be doing today for you guys. Moving on to the sink, I am going in with a dry cloth just to hope to kind of tackle the hair that is on the sink. There's always just tons and tons of hair. I don't blow dry my hair in here, so I'm assuming it belongs to Jerry. But then I'm going to go in with the disinfectant wipes as always and just give the sink a really good wipe down. And I just want to declutter as well. As you can see, there's like a lot of things on here. There was mouthwash, toothbrushes, toothpaste. Eventually I will declutter the mirror. You guys cannot see inside the mirror, but it is a complete disaster full of face cream and who knows what. But just cleaning down the sink, getting it all nice and organized and nice and tidy. Finally, time to declutter the shower. I have so many things in here, it's not even funny. What happens is I'll use a body wash, then I'll find another one I like, and then start using that one and not finish the other one, and I'll just repeat that cycle until this whole shower is just cluttered. So of course I went in and grabbed all of the shower stuff, put it in a big box, deep cleaned the shower, and made sure to wipe it just because it was so dirty under these products. I'll show you in a second. But I wanted to make sure to get it all clean, everything out of here, and then only put the things I'm going to be using back in until next week when I need a new body wash. I would say now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the words go. Look how dirty the tub was. The side of it was absolutely disgusting. There was so much hair on it, product buildup. The rims were kind of turning yellow, so I am going to go in with the tub and tile cleaner and the small lavender from Miss Meyer's. This smells so amazing. Lavender is like my go-to smell from Miss Meyer's. Hands down, one of the best. But I'm just going to go in and make sure to scrub all of the spots in the tub, anything that was yellow or discolored. Scrub down the sides because there was some shampoo residue and just some buildup. And just make sure everything was all nice and squeaky clean. Touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh. sad, bittersweet moment would be me removing Shiloh's tub toys as she no longer uses them. I have left them here for 3 months and they have not been touched, just to make sure. I will leave them in my office for a few days, but look at what the toys did to my floor. It is disgusting. So I'm going to go in and wash the floor by hand as well as the baseboards, just because there was a lot of buildup underneath them, probably from water residue, shampoo leakage, toys not fully being rinsed off, whatever reason. But I needed to get it clean because it was just a mess.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time.
It's time to tackle this toilet. The product has been on here for about 20 minutes, if not longer, while I clean to the rest of the bathtub. It is so satisfying to clean the toilet just because it makes it super white and shiny. Not only does the product smell good, but the toilet bowl is nice and clean, and it looks so pretty and white. And if you guys find this satisfying as well, let me know down in the comments below.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Once again, just going in with the 7th generation disinfectant wipes and just wiping down the toilet seat and underneath the rim just to make sure I got everything off of it. Sometimes there's like speckles of like hair and dust and everything under here, so a lot of cat hair. But I want to make sure to get that done before wiping down the floors. I am going in with the lavender Swiffer as always, just because this is the only way I really know how to clean the bathroom floor besides on my knees and my hands. But I want to make sure to get all the hair up off the floor as well before I start putting down new products and just decorating the bathroom. One place I noticed that was super dirty was the boards around the door, whatever this is called, the crown mold or whatever. It was really stuck on it. There was just tons of hair just piled into the cracks here. So I took a dry washcloth and just kind of scrubbed it the best I could. I got most of it off. I think I need to go in with a little bit something heavier. I'm not sure how long it's been here, but I don't know how this bottom part of the door got so dirty or why, but it's clean now. Finally time to start decorating. I love this shower curtain. I got this on Amazon. It was probably about $17. If I can find it again, I'll link it down in the description box below. But I am in love with the colors. Hearts are like my favorite thing. And I just really enjoy decorating for Valentine's Day. It is one of my absolute favorite holidays along with Halloween. So I will be decorating my bathroom for Halloween too, pretty sure. Got the softest bath mat from Amazon. Once again, if I can find it, I will link it down in the description box below. But I thought it went so well with the shower curtain. It was super soft, super absorbent, and it's a change from the push-in one. The push-in one will be back in the spring, but I really wanted this whole bathroom to be hearts and pink and just love. I forgot to hang these up on camera. I got these from Amazon. These are like a felt material. I got these ones over the paper ones just because the bathroom obviously gets wet. And I thought these would probably be a lot better on the wall. So I also got this really cute tissue holder. It is like a little rabbit. I thought this would look so cute in here. And what it does is it basically goes on this. You just like rip this off. And then you put the bunny on. And like you can use this for Easter, spring. I'm obviously using it for Valentine's Day, so. And it'll probably stay in here until who knows when. See if I can get it on. Ta-da! And this is just so cute, and he's gonna be sitting right over here. Just so cute. I thought these would also look super cute on the mirror, so I'm just gonna pick like a variety of these and put them on the mirror, and then the rest I'll just start decorating my house with it, just like the windows and the doors.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another deep clean with me. I really hope you guys got some inspiration from today's video, and I really hope you guys liked how I decorated my bathroom for Valentine's Day. If you guys decorate your bathrooms, let me know down in the comments below, and if you have pictures, make sure you tag me over on Instagram. I love when people tag me and stuff over there. I love seeing what people can come up with. But anyways, I took a messy bathroom and I turned it into something absolutely beautiful, and I'm so satisfied with how it came out, and I absolutely love this bunny tissue holder. It did end up in the living room after today just because my daughter wanted to play with it, but other than that, I'm just so happy that the bathroom just came out so nice. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any more of my future content. And thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in the comments and in my next video. Bye!